Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're dropping the car off to get the exhaust done. Should be getting done tomorrow. So right now I'm currently just driving the car over there. I got everything in the car waiting to be done. I'll just continue once we get there. We're about 3 minutes away here from the shop. Alright, we made it to Affordable Muffler here, Forest Lake, where we're gonna get the exhaust put on. Now, we're going to be installing the Valvetronic Design Exhaust here. I got everything in here. We got the exhaust itself. We got the extension cord for your electrical component stuff. I don't remember the specific name. The piece for the 4-cylinder adapter here, which I specifically need for this car since it is a 4-cylinder. And then we also got the 2 carbon fiber exhaust tips. All that's gonna get installed here tomorrow. Just getting the car dropped off now. I'm gonna do a sound comparisons of the stock exhaust on the 330, and then some sound comparisons once I get that Valvetronic Design exhaust on. We'll cut to that now. All right, everybody, it's the next day. I'm picking up my car. The total was $375 to get that exhaust put on. And we're gonna give it a start, and we're gonna give it a couple revs in each mode and see the difference. All right, that was through all the modes. I did Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus there. I'm just gonna give it to my passenger with the window down, give a little sound, what it sounds like while driving.